I really like using the double. I have taken so many online classes that don't involve any face-to-face interaction, and this gives me the opportunity to still interact in the classroom. It really adds a whole dimension to the classroom experience.
Most of our students do live far away. Almost all of our students work full-time. We do have students here at the university, and they do come to our face-to-face classes, but they're joined by students from all over the country and, in fact, the world that will come in remote and join us via robot.
Something that our students mentioned to us a few years back was that they really needed an online program. So we went with video conferencing, where they're a big picture on the screen and they can only talk to a large group. And that was okay. It was okay, but it wasn't ideal. So then we found Double and introduced the robots to the classroom, and now they can sit right at the table with you and talk with a partner. They can talk in a large group, they can talk in a small group. We have them give presentations from the Double robots. They're so versatile.
This has really helped make connections between students and the content they're learning, and then the students and their professors.
Moving from the static interactive TV model, it's changed my teaching back to the normal. I no longer have to worry about proximity. I can move throughout the room in the manner that I see fit, and the student using the robotic technologies is able to track me.
You're thinking about your lesson, and then you're thinking about managing the material that you're going to use and managing the podium technology. The nice part about the doubles is I don't have to do that. I mean, once they log on, I'm done with that. They just participate in the class like everyone else.
All of our classes are basically hybrid. So a lot of the work that students get, they get through a course shell. Same with the students that are on the robots.
I think having this option to have this presence in class makes that hybrid more effective.
The remote student is able to turn and face a student who's talking and then phrase a question to that student, and that student's able to respond.
The robots give you a human quality that the big screen on the wall doesn't give you. You can raise your hand and just like stand up a little more. You can lower down and sit at the table with your fellow classmates.
It really makes it possible, I think, for student-to-student interaction to be more true to life. I'm more able to treat those people remotely as if they were physically in the room with me.
We had looked at quite a few different robots, and some of them are pretty big. They're also more expensive. Whereas these little guys, we can put 6 of them along the edge of a table, and they don't take up a lot of room. They're also extremely versatile in that they can spin in place. The view from them, I think, is excellent. If they want to look at something on the screen in the front of the room, they can zoom in on it. The battery life is outstanding. We get 8 hours out of a charge.
I think the doubles offer a few different advantages to those of us who are in a program when we work full-time and are trying to fit graduate school in. We don't have to do so much asynchronous individual work. We have a good way of interacting with people that gives us that human dimension to the education that we're pursuing.
The University of Montana as a whole really is looking to reach out to students all over the world. Double is making that really easy for us.
We are proud that we can offer it for them. It was an investment, but it's an investment, I think, in our students. They get a good education because of it, and they don't have to leave home to do it.